what is the minimum you would need to become a millionaire? Okay, what is the minimum you would need? Now, some individuals out there, okay, they're on a budget right now. Some can't afford to buy the crazy amounts of vault you need to become a millionaire soon enough. Okay, so what is the minimum tokens it will take to be on your way to millions? Okay, now this is something some should be able to afford. Okay, so get your pencils and paper out, write this down. This will be a good reference. Okay, so the chart is still looking decent when we look up here. Okay, even after the sell-offs. Now, listen, people out there, please do not worry about the dips right now. Okay, it's normal. I see a lot of individuals out there overreacting, all crazy and stuff already. Okay, so you know, what can you do besides wait? Okay, what can you do besides wait? Have patience, and you know, just have confidence in the project. Okay, so now as we know, you know, after migration, Vault did start off with, you know, 6 zeros, but it now has 5 because it has killed 1 0. Okay, now Vault is burning at a very fast rate right now, which is why, you know, that price is going to continue to go up even after the burn offs. Okay, they are emphasizing burn methods. Okay, I've been talking about burn methods, it seems like, for a little bit now. Okay, that's been the new trend right now, burn methods. Okay, so it seems like it's becoming a trend. Okay, if they continue this pace, 1 cent, okay, will be doable, maybe sooner than you know, a lot of my full-year prediction marks out there. Now, the market cap, like I said, is still around 169 to 171 million. Okay, it's still fluctuating. Okay, so right now it's at 171. It has been fluctuating, and so the circulating supply, as we can see, is still around 66 trillion. Okay, now remember, we want to fit all of this into the predictions. We want to fit all of the predictions into the supply. Okay, so what are the minimum amount of tokens, okay, you need for your first $1 million out there? Okay, so let's say Vault eats a 0. Okay, that will put the market cap at around 1.4 billion. Okay, it will put them around 1.4 billion. Okay, now let's say that you hold around 50 million tokens today. That's today. If you hold 50 million tokens today, okay, that 50 million tokens will be worth a little over $1,300 if another 0 is eaten. Okay, so let's also say that you hold around, let's say you hold 500 million tokens. Okay, now that, if you hold 500 million today, that would then put you at around a little bit close to 13,000 in value. Okay, so let's keep it going. Let's say if you hold 5 billion tokens. Okay, what would that put you at if another 0 is eaten? Okay, that would put you at over what would that would put you at a little over 130K. Okay, write this stuff down. This is going to be a reference for individuals on a budget, okay, who is looking to make their first million after 1 or 2 zeros. Okay, so you know, and that 13, like I said, if you hold 5 billion tokens, that would be a little bit over 130K. Now today, that will be about a 13K investment. Okay, that would be about a 13K investment today. Okay, to get you 5 billion tokens. Okay, of course you do your research and do as you please with your own investments. Okay, and that's what 1 0 killed. So at a 13K investment today and 1 0 killed, you will have over 130K. Okay, now to make $1 million, a 1 0, so to make $1 million with 1 0 killed, you would need about 37 billion tokens today. Okay, so you all can do the math on that and see what would the investment be in order to obtain 37 billion tokens today. So let's go over the 2 zeros. Okay, so let's say that 2 zeros was killed. Okay, the market cap will have to be near 16 billion. Okay, so write all of this stuff down so you can have this as a reference. Okay, so at a $16 billion market cap, if you had 50 million tokens today, that will put you at around 14K if 2 zeros were killed. Okay, so let's say you have 500 million tokens, okay, with 2 zeros killed. That will put you at about 140K. Okay, so with 2 zeros killed, how much, what would it take to have a million with 2 zeros killed? Okay, with 2 zeros killed, you would need about 3 billion tokens today, I think, in order to get $1 million. Okay, and of course this is based on the current supply. Like I said, that 66 supply, we're trying to fit all of this into the 66 supply, 66 trillion supply circulation. Okay, now of course, like I said, this is not only based off the 66 trillion supply, but this is also based on a lot of the burns happening also. I mean, and the supply is going to continue to go down because the burns are happening so fast. Okay, the supply is going down, which is also raising the price. Okay, so write this down, because if any of you are holding any of these amounts, okay, of tokens, and only 1 or 2 zeros get burned, okay, you will have your first million. All right, so in the next year or two, you could have your first million. Okay, assuming people hold, okay, or assuming individuals don't go crazy, pulling profits like a maniac and end up getting wrecked 1 or 2 years down the road. All right, so of course, if you own more, okay, like I said, this video is for the least. Now, of course, if you own more, you'll get there faster. Okay, but this is the least you need. If you want to watch this video over to write down the numbers, you can. Okay, so remember, every now is history tomorrow. You either have patience or lose in the end. And also, if you want to join the Patreon, the links will be in the description and in the comments. And you can also check out the merch right here. We have t-shirt, short sleeve, long sleeves, okay, and we have hoodies. Remember, the goal is to be self-educated, okay, and to one day become a 9-to-5 dropout. Okay, so this is my video, and I will catch you all on the up and up. Howdy.